There's fresh trouble for TMC leader Abhishek Banerjee's wife in the coal scam case investigation. Delhi's Patiala House Court has issued summons to TMC General Secretary Abhishek Banerjee's wife following the Enforcement Directorate's complaint against her. The court has directed Ruchira Banerjee to appear before the Patiala House Court on September 30th. The Enforcement Directorate alleged in its complaint that Ruchira had repeatedly failed to appear before the agency despite multiple summons being issued to her. The Enforcement Directorate suspect that she intentionally lied to the agency since she had travelled to Delhi around the same time, but she didn't come in for questioning using the COVID-19 pandemic as a cover. The summon came just a day after the TMC MP and his wife had both moved the Delhi High Court seeking quashing of the Enforcement Directorate summons and sought directions that the case be examined in Kolkata in accordance with the law. According to Mr. Banerjee's counsel, the TMC MP had appeared before the Enforcement Directorate on September 6th and was questioned for over 9 hours, largely on matters unconnected to the case under investigation. My colleague Nalini Sharma is now joining me live on this story. Nalini, what has the Enforcement Directorate told the Patiala House Court?
Well, Pauline, like you correctly pointed out, the Enforcement Directorate had issued multiple summons to Abhishek Banerjee's wife, asking her to appear before the ED in relation to the interrogation in the ongoing coal scam case. But what they've now gone ahead and told Patiala House Court is that although she had categorically denied coming before the Enforcement Directorate to appear for questioning, but at the same time, they have found out that just 3 days before she was set to appear in Delhi, she was in fact in the national capital. She's visited beauty parlors in the national capital, and she's also gone to a few hill stations around the area. But she was using every excuse in the book to try and not appear before the agency to cooperate with the probe. So the stand that has been taken by Ruchira Banerjee before the Enforcement Directorate, stating that because it's COVID-19 and the fact that she's a mother of 2 children, she cannot travel, has been proven wrong by the Enforcement Directorate by finding out that she has in fact been traveling. So that was the main reason why they'd approached the Patiala House Court, saying they've issued repeated summons to her, but still she's failed to appear. And now the Patiala House Court has asked her to appear before the court on the 30th of September. You're right, this happens just one day after both Abhishek Banerjee and his wife had moved the Delhi High Court, not only challenging the ED summons, but at the same time also asking that any interrogation be carried out only in Kolkata and not in New Delhi. So it remains to be seen whether or not the Patiala House Court will even take any action against Abhishek Banerjee's wife on the 30th of September in case the Delhi High Court before that either stays the summons or agrees to hear the matter further. So it's going to be interesting legal proceedings in the coming few days against the Enforcement Directorate as well as the TMC members Abhishek Banerjee and his wife in the coal smuggling case, and we have to wait for more developments to see exactly what happens further.
Right. Nalini, thank you so much for bringing us up to speed with all those developments.